This guide will cover the basic application procedures required to apply the ForeverNu 3G clear coating. The 5 steps required are cleaning, masking, product use, application, and after application. It's important to start with a clean vehicle to ensure that dirt and debris is removed to avoid scratching the surface during preparation. Using soap and water, wash and rinse the vehicle. A clean vehicle will also aid in the inspection. Before ForeverNu 3G can be applied, we must first ensure that the surface is free of contaminants such as wax, silicone, and grease. This is accomplished by preparing the surface with the supplied prep scrub. Saturate the supplied sponge and the panel with water and apply prep scrub to the yellow foam side. Begin scrubbing with the highest horizontal panels and work downwards to the vertical panels, one panel at a time. Always keep the sponge and surfaces saturated with water. Apply the prep scrub evenly over each panel using a circular motion with light, even pressure only. Add water as necessary and do not allow any drying. Apply one panel at a time and thoroughly rinse after each panel. When properly prepared, the water will sheet on the panel when rinsed. Any water beading indicates that the surface is not yet properly prepared and will need more scrubbing. Allow vehicle to thoroughly air dry as water may still be trapped behind trims and joints. Do not attempt to apply ForeverNu 3G if water is still present. Since ForeverNu 3G is hand applied, minimal masking is required. Taking a few extra minutes when masking will improve the finished product. Use the supplied blue waterproof 48-hour masking tape to avoid leaving a sticky residue over masked surfaces. Always mask in such a way that the doors and trunk can still be opened. Mask any chrome, glass, rubber and mouldings that are adjacent to the application. Use one longer piece of tape as opposed to several smaller pieces. This will make removal when clear coat is dry much easier. ForeverNu 3G is a single component product. Add desired amount of ForeverNu 3G to the roller tray. Top up as required. Saturate the roller with product and roll out any excess which may drip, taking care not to wring out too much product as this may cause it to aerate. Horizontal panels must be completed before adjacent vertical panels. You do not want to be leaning over product which has just been applied. When applying on larger continuous panels, it is important to maintain a wet edge when applying to these areas, always working with the wet edge. Overlapping a dry edge can result in streaks that would need to be responded to later. For horizontal panels, always work from the centre or inner point of the car towards you. When applying on larger continuous panels, you must not only follow the correct order of application, but do so in a timely fashion. Begin application by starting approximately 6 inches from the edge of panel and work outwards, ensuring even coverage throughout panel. Apply just enough clear to obtain full coverage. Once panel is completely covered, smooth out any areas that have heavy sagging or runs by squeezing out the roller and very lightly rolling over the heavy area using only the weight of the roller. Caution should be used depending on time elapsed. If in doubt, leave the panel as heavy areas will continue to self-level for some time. Repeat this process panel by panel until all panels to be coated are complete. Do not go back over areas that have been coated and touched up, as this will cause the levelling process to restart. Once the product has started to cure, after an hour or so, remove all the masking tape, taking care not to come in contact with the coated panels. Vehicle must be untouched for 12 hours and should not be exposed to moisture or water for at least 48 hours. And there you have it, the procedure and the difference this product can make. ForeverNu 3G.